And we're back with another video. Hello everyone. Truck here at truckcbsales.com. This one here's for Tom in Minnesota on the Ranger RCI-39vhp PLUS. Tom, we've got it ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tune alignment. My audio mods. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down, Tom. That's just in case you decide to run an amp. You'll have enough adjustability. 20 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 45 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, and 98 peak. Roll it about the halfway mark here. There's about 13. Hello, hello, hello. Still 98 peak. All right, Tom, it's ready to go for you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.